Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rizki Syaputra, master student, data science at the University Teknologi Malaysia. And today I will present about big data governance, exactly about the case analysis tree, data metric, and principles creation. This presentation prepared by me and then my lecturer, Professor Madya Dr. Roliana Ibrahim. And here the overview for presentation today. We start with the dataset student and then data principle, metric for data quality and security, and reflection. And the last is about metric details. Here the preview for student datasets. There is several column and field like student and then gender, age, and others. With the dataset, we will propose some metrics. We start with the data principle for the student. Here is several aspect and then data principle for quality and also data principle for security. For aspect, there is like five aspects that we have. We start with the accuracy and then timeliness, compliance, and then also consistency and completeness. And here is another metric that we will propose. It's like metric for data quality and security. For data quality, we have several metric. Start from missing data rate, and then data accuracy score, data consistency, duplicate record, and also timeliness metric. And for data security, there is several metric also. It's like unauthorized access attempts and then audit trail completeness, data encryption compliance, and then also access control violence rate. And based on the metric, we have reflection on data principle and metric. For reflection aspect, there is five aspects that we have. The importance of data principle and then also the data quality for decision, the importance of data security and also the benefit of metric in data monitoring. And the last is about a relationship between principles and metric. And here's the explanation. And now we talk about the metric detail. After we implement the purpose metric, and then we get the metric details. And here we have a result of table for the student data application and access control. We divide each. We try to implement one by one from the each table or column from the data student data sets. We start with the school and also the priority. We have several categories like low, medium, high, and other. And also for the security, there is several variety also. And here also the metric implementation for data quality and security evaluation. For data quality and security evaluation, the metric will be like accuracy and then consistency, validity, that based on the column that we have. And then we try to evaluate one by one from the field of the column from the student data sets. And the last one about the implementation from metric details is about data principles tables. For data principle, there is several principle like integrity, confidential, completeness, accuracy, consistency, accessibility, transparency, compliance, and also accountability. Based on this one, we also categorize the objective and then also implementation and impact based on the principle. Yeah, that's all the presentation today about the data principle and also the purpose metric that we have and also the implementation based on the metric. Thank you so much for everyone for watching this presentation. If any question, can reach me from the email or the phone number. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.